In this video, I will show you how to convert an Excel document to a Google Sheet. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm here on Excel. Now I'm going to be using this as an example today, and the first thing you're going to want to do is of course save your workbook. So you want to click onto the menu, come down to Save As, and what I'm going to do in this case is just download a copy to my computer. So now the next thing we're going to want to do is come across to Google Drive, and here we are on my Google Drive. So from here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and you're going to see the button New up here. So just go ahead and give that a click, and what you then want to do is come down to Google Sheets, give that a click, and that's going to open up a new Google Sheet. Now what you want to do is come to the top where you've got these options and you want to click onto File. Next, come down and click onto Import, and from here you can choose where to import the file from. So if you've already got it on your Google Drive, you can do it that way, or if it's been shared with me. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click onto Upload, just because we downloaded the file onto the computer. So what I'm now going to do is click onto Browse and come to the Downloads folder, and you can see this is the one here that we downloaded. So I'm just going to double click that to upload. And what you're going to want to do from here, in the drop down menu here, you want to click onto this and make sure it's selected to replace spreadsheet. Once that's done, click the green import data button, and you'll see after a minute that's going to go through and import the data directly into Google Sheets. So that's how you go ahead and convert your Excel document into a Google Sheet. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.